Allow me to introduce to you our Head of Anatomy, Assistant Professor Reddy.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to Anatomy Learning Center. This is the place where we conduct anatomy practicals for MBBS Years 1 and 2 medical students. And we use a variety of tools to support anatomy practicals. As you see here, these are the real human organs. This is a heart, which is preserved by a special technique called plastination, where silicone-like materials are injected into the organ or body part, and they are preserved forever. So when you touch, and they are dry and they are odorless. In addition to these specimens, we also use a 3D printed organs or the parts which are developed in-house. And we also use plastic models to further reinforce anatomical concepts. We use integrated system-based modules to deliver anatomy, as well as another unique about LKCMedicine anatomy is it is taught by the team of experts come from the different disciplines like anatomy, surgery, emergency medicine, and pathologists. Would you like to interact with one of these specimens? Good that you put on gloves. Okay, so would you like to interact with any of these models? So this is a real human heart, and we are pioneer in adapting plastinated human specimens in the anatomy education. And what you're seeing there is the cross-section of the heart, and one side you see the external features, and the another side you see the internal features, where you see that you appreciate 4 chambers of the heart, right side, left side, and the wall separating the chambers. Can you also see the valves here? So we use these specimens. We have actually got an extensive collection of the specimens to support each and every part of the human body and the human body region. In addition to these tools, I'm going to show you the innovative technology that we use to deliver anatomy teaching. This is called Anatomas table. It has got 3D models of the human body. These 3D models are actually reconstructed based on the scanning data of the real person. What you see here is a 3D model of the heart, and this table allows you to perform the virtual dissection. You can actually remove the tissue layers layer by layer, or you can add the superficial and the deeper structures, and then you can actually also remove them to understand the layer by layer anatomy. And you can also make cross-section in any part of the body, in any plane. So you can also make custom cut to better understand the internal anatomy, how the structures are related to each other. You see that this is the cross-section through the thoracic part of the body. You see the heart, and then surrounding the lungs, and then you can scroll through the cross-section to better understand their position, and then the structural changes and organization. And this cross-sectional anatomy would be very helpful when you're actually interpreting your CT scan, patient CT scans or MRI imaging data. Now, I'm going to take you to the Anatomy Resource Center, which is unique to LKCMedicine. This is Anatomy Resource Center. As you see, we have got an excellent collection of extensive collection of the potted specimens covering various pathological conditions and various body systems. As you see here, these are the potted specimens related to the cardiorespiratory system. And what we did is, in fact, these specimens are all donated by the Imperial College London, and we digitized these specimens and created a content and assigned a QR code for each specimen. So if you like to explore more about a particular specimen, you can scan. Upon scanning, you would get the high resolution images pertaining to this image, and you would also find the description about its pathology and annotations for the potted specimens. So you would get all the information that is pertinent to this specimens. We provide these QR codes as a part of their learning materials, so that student can have access to these potted specimens outside of the classroom, and they could use them for their study and therefore revision for the examination purpose. And thank you very much for visiting our anatomy center. I hope to see you in LKCMedicine soon.
All right, let's head to the next station.